Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this stunning female avatar look in Berry Avenue. So if you want to create a flawless female avatar in Berry Avenue, I'll show you how you can get a stunning head turning look for your avatar step by step. So what you need to do first in here is to go to the avatar and then click on this three lines menu and tap on body. Choose the second one and then just search for woman. Hit on enter. Select the first one and only use the arms. Okay, now close this and then second one, search for woman revamped. Enter again, and here you can again select the first one and now select the body. Close this, and for the legs, find the keyword Cindy, hit on enter, click on it and select the legs. Okay, and for the face, you can use headless, this one, and choose the second one or the head. Close this, and for the makeup you can choose this one, Mink Blushy Cat Eye Makeup. Then just select, you need to go to the face first, this one. You can find Mink Blushy Cat Eye Makeup. Then just choose the one that fits with your skin tone. Okay, you can just explore which one that you think fits with your skin tone. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!